What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Boo dating app subscription. So, you might be wondering, how to exactly cancel your subscription here for Boo Dating? Well, it actually depends on what platform or what device you're currently accessing it. Now, if you currently have this on an Android device, it's going to be a lot easier than you think. So, first things first is you want to go ahead and locate Google Play Store here and open it up. Now, the thing with subscription here, with Boo Dating, since again we're using Android devices here, and in this case, you've installed this via Google Play Store, everything or your subscription will be managed by Google Play Store themselves. So in this case, you want to go to your profile at the top right of the screen, and from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says Payment and Subscriptions, and you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says Subscription. Now, if you do have an existing subscription for Boo Dating here, you should be able to see it under active, and you just need to click on the option here that says cancel subscription or cancel or something similar to that. And once you hit on it, it's going to be canceled, and it should be added under expired here once the date for your subscription has ended. Now, just take note, like for example, you've started your subscription at the start of the month, and it's been like 15 days already for that specific subscription. Your subscription will last until the end of the month. So you can still use Boo Dating app here, but when it comes to resubscription and the next payment, it will be canceled, and you will be able to you won't be able to use the app from then on. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.